Hello YouTube, we are back to more Happy Wheels. I was looking at I just started up, let's go to a play account. I don't know, I gotta close the door. Okay, that's good. Give me 1 second, guys. What, Mom? I'm recording something. So I had to talk to my mom. She was wondering about closing the door. Rate this as I own you. Strength test. Which let me check. Oh, you can still see them. Okay. Just wondering. Darn it! That thing! Gotta pull it out. No! I have to pull this out. Come on. You do it. Come on! Yes! Hang on, I just want to save my replay. I'm one of those people that like to save replays and then I usually do it whenever I need to. I dare you. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to survive. I dare you. Maybe it's easy. As you can see, yeah, it's pretty hard to get through. Look at that. Well, here's my way of doing it. Throwing little boy, then we just go through without really using any body parts like that. Okay, our next one. A hard weapon run. What's the sad? Oh God. Oh! Come on. You can go. Go, 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 go. Right there. Wait, 5 if you died. Wait for it. Mind of Troll Face. I've heard of it, I didn't play it. So close to getting used 3 coins. Yeah, good thing it's because some people don't even listen. Look at that, isn't even speaking me out. Oh God. Oh God. Problem, sir? Oh my God, this is shiny. Oh my God, I thought I was gonna launch me. Yes, I did it. Am I going in here? Hang on. Meat factory. Zoo runner. Oh, this. Oh God, it's lagging. Oh God, I've seen this from Nova. I've seen this from Nova. Except it's a little different. I'm a Segway guy with a helmet, of course. Oh my God, look at that! Look at that! Look at all that meat. Look at all that meat. See my meat? You see it? See my meat? Look how bad it's lagging. I mean, really, look at this. It's taking all the meat. Watch my heart go. Let's see. It's pushing it. No, reach sheep limit. Meat line. I don't care about the meat line. I just want to get out of here. Rope swing master. Blue screen. Blue screen. Okay, here we go. I got the wiggle. Even though we don't have niblets. my 2 arms anyways. Yeah. Pro glass tower. What? Worthless. Please tell me I'm gonna be so alive. I'm still alive and I'm making my almost niblets. He spit in his throat. Ugh. Gotta do this again. Yeah, we're doing this. We're doing it. Yeah. Come on, break. You have leg niblets, not you. Yeah, you're doing it. You're doing it. No, what are you doing? Woo! Oh, there. Break 5 if you're alive. Doesn't look like I'm alive. Here we go. What is this? What? Oh my god. I can't believe you're doing this to me. This shows me. Now we go backwards and we go down as a favorites. Then we go into the side. Fruit person salad. And, no wait. Okay, here we go. Come on, blue screen. Wait. Oh. Okay, proceed. Person salad. I'm still alive. Got my niblets. Got my niblets. Got my niblets. I still am alive. I just jinxed it. What is that butt? Is that butt? Really? Is that the crackle? Look at my ear going. Look at that. Rate 5. Should I rate 5? Maybe. I liked it. Look at the segues like right there. Segues just. But yeah, that was just weird. Fruit person salad. The cave. What is the cave? Explorer guy. Let's see. Oh. Oh god. Oh, I lost my hat. It doesn't matter. And it doesn't matter. Ooh! Grind it. Grind it. Grind it. Oh. Yeah. I feel like once at least meh. I think it's meh. Mountain accident. Segway guy. This stuff makes no sense at all. Woo! Wiggle, 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 yeah. Wiggle, 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 yeah. Wiggle those invisible niblets. Wiggle those invisible niblets. Niblets. My niblets are in the air. Hey, rate high, please, and save your crazy replays. Go. I have no niblets, darn it. I could have wiggled my niblets. Hey, I'm still wiggling. Look at that. Oh my god. Well, part 3 is going to be coming up, so goodbye.